Yes, let's talk about questions and answers. On the right top corner of each property card there is a small blue circle with question mark inside. So each driver should answer the question. So he clicks on it and question window opens. So the first is watches on the lot. Let's say we choose single family. Second is construction. We can choose a couple of them like frame, masonry. The third one is garage. So we choose like one car, detached. Attic. We choose dormer. Type of the roof. We choose gable or flat. This depends on roof type. Driveway, asphalt. Condition of building and lot. There is also we can choose a couple of answers because this is again multi-choice answers. Is it occupied? Yes. Describe block. Well maintained. Describe area. Yeah, we can choose a couple of answers here. Property value, let's say we put 100 grand. Property value based on MLS or gas or web or current CCRD. Property value 150 grand. SAE, if yes, explain in comments. So let's say we click yes, comments. So explain why it's SAE. Garage versus no garage. Okay, and save it. Yes, so each question should be answered because on the right side of the property card there is a progress bar indicator which shows if all questions are answered or not. So yes, we see this is something left. There is one question is not answered. So when we can check on driver menu this property assigned to driver 1. Yes, because it's still here on driver list because one question wasn't answered. So when we click on question mark and you see comments is not answered, let's say we entered information here and click yes. So there is no more properties under test driver 1 because all questions were answered. Yes, so this menu drivers show for driver which property he or she needs to drive and make a photos and answer the questions. So let's say we choose like Eric Moore. He has a couple of properties, urgent properties that he needs to drive. Yeah, there is a couple of properties. Okay, so the next will be we'll talk about reports. On the left side we see menu home, properties, questions, users, drivers, logout and logout other devices. So when we go to the first menu home, let's say export properties report, we click on it. It's working. Click enable. Yes. So and when we go to the end, yes, there is 2417 properties. On the first column there is a PIN number. Second column is certificate number, address information, and classification. After that is a driver name. Let's say is a driver name, and the last column shows us if property has a pictures or not. So if property has a pictures, there is X in the cell. So yeah, this is the first report. The second report is question and answers. This is a huge, much more columns here. The first column, county name, certificate, PIN code, and after that there is the answers. So let's say answers with multi-choice status, they have X instead of full of X select. So we can group by some column. Let's say we need all properties with garage. So we selected them, and we can sort data by garage column I. Yeah, so there is 1 car garage, 2 car garage, no garage. Yeah, here we are. Let's close it. Okay, so also there is menu users. In menu users we can edit user roles. The driver can have only driver, just driver role, or and also view properties if you would like to give him permission to view all properties, driver and view properties. There is some cool solution for people who are not drivers but they'd like to just check our properties, download pictures. Let's say we click on John and just give him permission to view properties and save it. So in that case, John will be able to view properties, download them, and search using the search. Let's say we log out from our and enter John name, email, and password. Yes, this is a menu for user with just view properties role. So you click on properties, and you see on the top line we have just link search, and we have link cook assessor and cook viewer. There is no other buttons assigned to current user. Let's say John would like to find out some property by PIN number or address or certificate. Let's say 3319. Yeah, there is a property with certificate 3319 and so. Okay, we selected, and you see there is no possibility to click even on property information because this particular user can only view pictures and download pictures, and that's it. No other rows options. That's how it looks for user with just property view role. Okay, so after that, after each session, user can log out or log out from any other devices.